Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayon. On 13th June 2025, I conducted a very important surprise test for the topic of probability. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, students from different cities of Pakistan joined that class. Today I will discuss very important questions of that surprise test. Before starting today's vital and important lecture, I request everyone, you can also join my class. Just do send me the message on my WhatsApp numbers given on the screen. Let's start. Question number 1. Event produces a result. That result is called, actually event is the subset of the sample space and the result of the event is called outcome. The actual result of the random experiment is called outcome. Event produces, gives us the result. That result is called outcome. Question number 2. A subset of the sample space is called, it is event if it consists of one sample point, that is simple event, and if it consists of two or more than two sample points, that will not be simple, that will be compound event. Next question is, a card is selected from a deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that A part black diamond card, B part red spade card, C part king of heart, and D queen of diamond? Dear students, please keep in mind, diamond and heart card are always red and spade and club are black cards. So A part is black diamond card, it will be 0. B red spade card, it will also be 0. Third is king of heart. There are 4 cards of king. 1 king of heart, 1 king of spade, 1 king of club and 1 king of diamond. So king of heart will be 1/52. Queen of diamond. There are 4 cards of queen and 1 is of diamond. It will be 1/52. Very important. Question number 4. Mutually exclusive events are always, I have told to my students, mutually exclusive events are always dependent. Mutually exclusive events cannot come together. A and B are mutually exclusive if they cannot come together. A intersection B is 0. Success and failure. If you are successful, you cannot be failed. So failure depends upon the success. These are always dependent. Next question is, not mutually exclusive events. They may be independent and they may be dependent. Next question is, probability of C given D is equal to probability of C, then events are what? Dear students, what is the formula of conditional probability? Probability of C given D is equal to probability of C intersection D over probability of D. When A and B are independent, it is given. So probability of C into probability of D over probability of D. Probability of D will be cancelled with probability of D. Probability of C will be the correct answer. Next question. If X and Y are not independent events, please keep in mind a very important concept. Then variance of 2x plus 3y. What is the formula? I will tell you two formula. When X and Y are independent, then variance of AX plus BY is equal to A square variance of X plus B square variance of Y. There is no covariance, that is 0. But when X and Y are not independent, then variance of AX plus BY will be equal to A square variance of X plus B square variance of Y plus 2AB. Very important, 2AB covariance of XY. So just put the values. It will be 4 variance of X plus 9 variance of Y plus 2AB, 2 into 3 into 2, 12 covariance of XY. Next question is, if X and Y are independent, then variance of X minus Y, that will be equal to variance of X plus variance of Y. Minus will be changed into plus. Next question is, C and D are two constants, then variance of Cx plus D equal to C square variance of X. It is independent of origin. Plus minus does not affect variance, standard deviation, range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, all these. Next question is, a letter is selected from the word probability. What is the probability of the consonant? Dear students, in alphabets we have 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Other than these 26, there are 21 consonants. In the word probability, there are 11 words, and we are interested in consonants. These are 7. So probability of consonant will be 7/11. Very important. Question number next. Probability of D is not equal to 0. probability of C given D is equal to what? Just write the formula. As I told you earlier, probability of C given D will be equal to probability of C intersection D over probability of D, which is given. Next question, probability of A union B is equal to 0.75, probability of A is 0.5, probability of B is 0.25. A and B are what? Actually, whenever probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B, there is nothing common between them. It means A and B are mutually exclusive events. Probability of A is 0.5, probability of B is 0.25. If we add them, 0.5 plus 0.25, that will be 0.75, which is equal to the probability of A union B. So there is intersection is 0. What is the real formula? Actual formula is probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. It is 0, so A and B are mutually exclusive events. Next question is probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A multiply probability of B. Then A and B are independent events. Very important. Next question is a die is rolled 3 times, not 1 time. If 1 time you roll, there are 6 outcomes. If 2 times you roll, 6 power 2, 36 outcomes. If 3 times you roll, 6 power 3, 216 outcomes. What is the probability of getting 3 fours? Probability of first 4, probability of second 4, probability of third 4. 1 over 6 into 1 over 6 into 1 over 6. 1 over 216 will be the correct answer. Next question is A is a set which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nothing common between them. Then A and B are mutually exclusive events. Next question is write the number of ways of selecting 3 girls out of 7 when we ignore order of selection. Dear students, when order is not important, AB is equal to BA, then we have combination, and if order is important, then we have permutation. So 7C3, 7 factorial over 3 factorial into 4 factorial, the answer will be 35 ways. Next question is there are 20 red balls in a box. Let A be the event that red ball is selected, event A is called. Dear students, there is only one choice, that is red ball. So there are 100% chances of selecting the red ball. It means it is a sure event. Question number 18. Probability of B given A is 0.30. Probability of A intersection B is 0.1. What is probability of A? We should use the formula of probability of B given A. It is equal to probability of B intersection A over probability of A. Just substitute the values and answer will be 1 over 3.